my dear foodies, how are you all? Welcome to Afreen's Tasty Kitchen. So today I am going to show you a recipe which is mostly requested by my vegetarian friends. That is the Butter Paneer Masala. Butter Paneer Masala goes well with the butter naan. So now let's have a look at the ingredients. So the ingredients of the Butter Paneer Masala are: first, I have taken the paneer 200 grams. I have diced it into cubes. Next, I have taken one large onion, 2 tomatoes. This is the fresh cream, 125 grams of butter, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, some 15 to 20 cashews. This is 1 bay leaf, cinnamon stick, 1 cardamom pod, 3 to 4 cloves, turmeric powder, 1/4 tablespoon, half teaspoon of salt, and 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri red chilli powder, and 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of Garam masala, and Kasuri methi 1/4 tablespoon. Now let's start the recipe. So first let's take a pan, switch on the flame. Now let's add the butter. Let the butter melt well. Let's add onions. And let's saute them until they are golden brown. Now let's add the ginger garlic paste. Now let's add our tomatoes. Now let's saute our tomatoes. As our tomatoes have started turning soft, now let's add the cashews. Now switch off the flame and blend this mixture into a fine paste using some water. Turn into a fine paste. Now again, take the same pan. Let's add the remaining butter to it. Let it melt. Now let's add the dry spices: bay leaf, cinnamon stick, cardamom pod, and cloves. Now let's add turmeric powder and Kashmiri red chilli powder. You see such a lovely color. Now let's add the ground paste. Now give it a quick stir. Now let's saute this onion and tomato paste in low flame. Now let's add salt, coriander powder, and give it a quick stir. Now let's cover this and let it cook for 5 minutes on slow flame. The flame should be very low. Give it a quick stir. Now let's add our fresh cream. Coriander leaves. Now let's add our paneer cubes into it. Check for seasoning in between. If you want to add more salt, you can add. Now again, let's cover this and cook on low flame for about 5 minutes. Now let's add our Garam masala and our Kasuri methi crushed between your palms. And now it's done. Our rich, creamy Paneer Butter Masala is ready to be served. Paneer Butter Masala goes well with the butter naan. Now let's do the plating. To serve this butter paneer masala, I have taken this small cute curry. So let's do the plating now. On the top, if you wish, you can add little cream, fresh cream. It's optional. And now garnish it with a coriander leaf. So now our tasty butter paneer masala is ready. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, please do like, share and subscribe. Subscribe button is under my video. See you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.